I have to say that I did find her, quiet, reticent young lady. It took her a while to get, with the group, because the group, as you know, everyone knew each other from Bombay, and we would sit around at lunch and play the fool. So it took us a little bit of time, took her a little bit of time to, get involved. And she was always very well behaved, but very, very quiet. Well, I thought she was a charming young lady, and, having heard this sad news this morning, I don't even know how to react, honest to God. I really don't.
Some certain people, like Ram Gopal Verma, who worked with her closely, and others, have said she was feeling the pressure of what the world of Bollywood brings. Do you think that's... is that such a big factor, do you think, in people's lives when they're part of that film industry?
Well, there is pressure, but everybody feels some kind of pressure. But I don't think this could be attributed to just the pressure of being a film actor and not very sure as to where one's career is headed. I don't think that's... And I'm no one to judge, but I don't think that could be a strong enough reason. A lot of people go through a lot of careers, get dismantled and forgotten. We've had scores and scores of cases like that, but I don't think it could be attributed to just that.